terms when we are talking about an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement. There are two kinds of terms. First of all is the term of the agreement, and the second term is the term of protection of confidential information. The first term, the term of the agreement, means how long does this contract last? So how many months or how many years the parties are going to exchange this confidential information. So normally these contracts are 1-2 years, or it could be that it lasts so long that the project lasts. The second term is how long are the parties obligated to protect the confidential information exchange. So when you're thinking about this, when I am doing this question always in my lectures, they are always saying, well, I want them to protect my information forever, what we call evergreen agreements. However, I strongly advise not to have evergreen agreements because, you know what, it's really difficult to take the measures to protect the confidential information we received for a long term and as well for the lifelong term. I don't even know what I wore 2 years ago, or when I went on holidays 3 years ago. So my suggestion is that you are agreeing on a term which is actually for both parties doable. I usually advise 5 years, maximum 10 years, but it is always a business decision. A legal advice could be like 10 years, you can't take the measures to do it. But if you think that this project is really important, the confidential information is really sensitive and you need to go for 15 years, you just go for 15 years. But my suggestion would be just avoid evergreen agreements.